Have you ever felt like your day has gone south? It's a common English idiom that can be confusing for beginner learners. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning, usage, and history of this popular expression. Imagine this: your friend invites you to go skydiving, and you excitedly say, "Great, let's go south." Only to find out they meant the activity, not the literal direction. This kind of mix-up is exactly what we want to avoid. So, what does go south actually mean? In its figurative sense, it refers to a situation or plan that has declined or worsened. Let's see how it's used correctly. Imagine your boss assigns you an important project. But due to unexpected challenges, the project starts to go south. You'd need to act quickly to get it back on track before it spirals out of control. In this case, going south describes the project's decline, not an actual physical direction. Here are some diverse examples of using go south in different contexts. The company's sales figures have gone south this quarter. I was hoping the job interview would go well, but it ended up going south. The weather forecast was great, but our camping trip ended up going south due to the unexpected storm. My New Year's resolution to eat healthier has gone south, and I've been indulging in too many sweets. The plot of the novel took an unexpected turn, causing the story to go south. The business negotiations were progressing well, but then they suddenly went south. My date was going great until the conversation somehow went south and became awkward. To help you remember the meaning of go south, think of a compass. When something goes south, it's heading in a downward or negative direction, just like the compass pointer. Now, let's explore some interesting facts about this idiom. While the exact origin is debated, the use of go south to indicate decline gained popularity in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. While some cultures associate south with negative connotations, it's crucial to avoid generalizations. The idiom's meaning primarily stems from Western map-making conventions and historical context. The idiom's figurative use is prevalent in various media, including literature, film, and television, solidifying its place in modern English vernacular. Its usage has expanded to encompass any decline, from business deals to personal relationships. Similar idioms to go south include go downhill, go off the rails, and go haywire. Opposites would be go north, go uphill, or go according to plan. Related expressions include take a turn for the worse and spiral out of control. Let's say you want to express that your vacation plans have taken a turn for the worse. You could say, "Our vacation plans have gone south." Alternatively, you could rephrase it as, "Our vacation plans have taken an unexpected turn and are no longer going as we hoped." I once had a colleague who used the idiom go south in a meeting to describe a project that was facing significant challenges. His clear and concise use of the idiom helped everyone understand the gravity of the situation and prompted immediate action to get the project back on track. A common mistake when using go south is to say it's going down south instead of it's going south. This is grammatically incorrect, as the idiom refers to the direction, not a specific location. Another mistake is to use go south when the situation is actually improving or getting better. In that case, you'd want to use an opposite expression like go north or turn around. Let's test your understanding with a few questions. 1. What does the idiom go south mean? A. To improve or get better. B. To decline or worsen. C. To travel in a southern direction. D. To be unpredictable. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with go south? A. Go uphill. B. Go downhill. C. Go east. D. Go west. 3. Which of these expressions is antonymous with go south? A. Take a turn for the worse. B. Spiral out of control. C. Go north. D. Take a nosedive. In summary, the idiom go south is a common and useful expression in English that describes a situation or plan that has declined or worsened. Understanding its meaning and proper usage can greatly improve your communication skills. Now it's your turn. Share an example sentence using go south in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.